Now, action. Now we're going to make a 4-flap enclosure, which is great for glass plate negatives or anything fragile because it makes people stop and slow down and handle something more slowly as opposed to an envelope where you handle things fairly quickly. So in this demonstration, I'm just using a piece of printer paper, but so it's a little bit small, but it will do the job for our purpose. Ideally, you would do all your math, figure it out, and then go from here. So our piece is 30 centimeters by 18. Okay. So just like before, what was commented, that I like to do 2 points for every line that I draw. And then I'll connect them both. Straightforward. Pass around. Again, it's going to be a little short, but for the demonstration, it will be fine. Oops. I made a wrong measurement. This is what happens when you demo. Okay, no problem. So just like before, I'm going to use my bone folder and go over my edges. So here we have the rough shape that I drew on the board. This is, as much as this is a forerunner to making phase boxes, this is really nice to know if you're ever in a situation where you are housing glass plate negatives and the glass plate enclosures don't come in the size that you need. Sometimes you have to make them yourself. Okay. As I've said before, any piece that I'm going to throw away, I put a little X on. This pencil's not clicking enough. It's okay. I'm going to borrow one just for this video. So to note that I'm throwing those pieces away. Okay. So next I cut. These pieces get thrown away, and we have our enclosure. And it doesn't matter which order you fold them in. Ideally, what you would like to have is a top flap that you can lift up first so that things don't fall at the bottom. And I like to use the bone folder to just go over my folds just to make it a little bit cleaner. You will have a little bit of depth once you fold multiple layers on top of each other. So now you have your little enclosure. Okay, make sense?